So as you'll see in the following video, I finally got a chance to go see the old ice cutting machine with the V4 Wisconsin engine on it there. It's taken apart at the moment, as you'll see in the following video, but so I did this drawing here to show how it would look assembled. You got the about 4-foot diameter blade there on the left, and it's driven by the flat belt that is tensioned by the engine gas tank moving back and forth. So you got this about a 16-inch wheel, two of them in the center there, and at the front you got these skis here that are adjustable up and down to I guess it would change the angle of the cutter, but you'd adjust them for ice thickness, or maybe to not fling so much water around or something. But so the man would stand at the back here and push it along in a straight line where you're cutting the ice out. And of course you got the V4 Wisconsin engine driving it there. So the whole thing is about 12 feet long total, and the frame is made out of I'm guessing about 2 by 8 or 10-inch wood, probably. Yeah, it could be 10-inch. I didn't actually measure it when I was looking, but it's pretty healthy wood. So anyway, that's the arrangement of it there. I do show the blade at the end, but I don't talk on the video. As I say, it looks to be about 4 feet in diameter, and that seems to work with the drawing. That allows it to cut about 18-inch thick ice. So apparently it worked pretty well back in the day when they used it cutting ice for they take the ice blocks out and put them in a shed packed with sawdust, and then the ice would last pretty much all the summer for refrigeration purposes. So it seemed to be quite the setup. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video there of the ice cutter, and sorry that it's torn apart at the moment, so the video is not quite as good as it could be. So here we have the old ice cutting machine with the V4 Wisconsin on it. Turns out that this one here is a VE4 Wisconsin, the same as the other one I have. This one's serial number 1243716. 3-inch bore, 3 1/4 stroke, and it's all original color there, gray, and you can see it even says most horsepower hours, Wisconsin heavy-duty air-cooled engines. Got the hand crank and everything, and she still cranks over, not seized or anything. So that's good. It's got a little gas primer there and help you start it. So anyway, it's mounted on a wood frame here. Frame goes back under in a storage area here. So and these handles here, they would mount back there on the wood frame, and it's got a flat belt pulley shiv on the motor there, and so the belt ran along that side up to here where it drives this shaft with 2 pillow block bearings on it. So she's at least 8 feet long from one end to the other there, and I'll try to get some video of the blade if I can. But the motor is adjustable. It slides. The gas tank's on the back there, and there's a screw thread there that you would tension the flat belt with, so it didn't slip. But anyway, that's the old ice cutting machine. And in the middle, around here somewhere, there's an axle that had 2 rubber tires on it, and then on the front end there was like a set of little skis that you could adjust the height for how deep you were cutting. So it's quite the contraption.